Tasty and healthy scrambled egg spinach recipe. Usually it is served along with rice, or even we can have it as it is. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 1.5 onion, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 3 green chillies, some curry leaves, then grind it like this. Now in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add the grinded mixture to it, mix it and saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add 1 teaspoon chili powder. Also add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Saute it for 1 minute on low flame. Now we can add 2 cups or 200 grams of chopped spinach to it. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now make small space in the center and add 6 eggs, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and 1 teaspoon salt. First scramble the eggs well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. And then we can mix all together. Cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Our tasty and healthy scrambled egg spinach recipe is ready. Serve it after 30 minutes for best taste. Usually it is served along with rice, or even we can have it as it is. Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes, or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.